quite healthy and natural meal. Definitely, you can fight this problem or something stronger than that. These foods can relatively help you to get a strong immune system. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are thought to be very rich in vitamin C. They hold around 143.7 mg of vitamin C. This can relatively help you to get a very good immune system. But definitely you have to try pieces of red bell peppers for your lunch next time. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are believed to be very rich in vitamin C. Maybe you should try eating an orange or grape daily after your diet. These citrus fruits may have a sense of sour and definitely they can help you to fight harmful virus. The percentage of vitamin C varies according to different citrus fruits. Broccoli. As one of the famous vegetables, it is very important to try broccoli for breakfast. Apart from vitamin C, this tends to hold vitamin A and E and fiber. Broccoli is one of the most healthiest vegetables that you should give a try. Ginger. Ginger is very important that can relatively help you to get rid of sore throat and inflammatory diseases. If you're feeling harder to sleep in the night despite nausea, definitely try ginger in your tea. Ginger tea rises an awesome aroma. Ginger is better for thousands of diseases. Almonds. Almond seeds are one of my favorites. Almond is rich in vitamin C and fiber, and it is also considered as one of the strongest elements